First try. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to disassemble and reassemble a M&P 2.0 firearm. Anytime you're working with firearms, you want to make sure that your location is secure and that you are taking all necessary safety precautions. Although I am not a trained instructor, I do have my concealed carry in the state of Texas as well as Washington DC. Ooh, glad I checked. This is why you always check.